Today we're shopping at Dollar Tree and there's so many new items I can't wait to show you. All the summer items are out right now at Dollar Tree. I'm so glad that these buckets they brought back this year. Now these are gonna go fast. They come in a ton of colors. You can do so many different hacks with these buckets. If you're having people over or if your kids are going to be outside all day, fill up this bucket with your sunscreen or anything they're going to need outside, and then you can just take it in and out whenever you need it. Now I'm trying to figure out what is new this year. I know last year they had this whole watermelon line, and these trays are some of my favorite that you can get all year long. You have this longer one and then this small one. If you do a DIY with this looks so high end. I'm actually getting this for a DIY. I got a bowl and one of the smaller lemon trays. I added E6000 to the bottom of the bowl and then placed the tray on the top. Once this is dry, it's perfect to have out in your kitchen for summer. I also picked up this butterfly tray and I can't wait to use it in my daughter's bedroom. It's gonna look perfect sitting out as a vanity tray. My store is kind of picked over, but they should have trays, bowls, and plates in this line. Another thing, these palm leaves, I believe they had those last year, but the one that I think is new is this line of crabs. I just love the colors in this design. Now this is the largest tray you can get here at Dollar Tree for that $1.50 price point. I've done a ton of DIYs over the years with this tray and it comes in a bunch of different colors. So I've never seen a basket this large here at Dollar Tree. This has gotta probably be $5 if I'm guessing, but this is pretty large. You could put a bunch of toys in here or really store a ton of stuff. Now, when you're over here in the frame section, one thing I want you to look out for are these gallery prints, you guys. This is a new item they came out with this spring. So it's a set of 3 11x14 prints for just $1.50. So you could put these in 11x14 frames. What I love about this is like prints that you would get on Amazon or maybe even Etsy. Like they have some really good options. So this one's probably my favorite. You have the 2 birds, you have the dragonfly and the butterflies. They also have a floral version, you guys, that looks super high end. You have all 3 of these prints. I absolutely love both of those. And then if you're wanting something maybe a little bit more modern, this would be perfect for the summer. Now, if you're not wanting a larger print, you can also get a smaller print option. Now, Dollar Tree is getting better and better for summer. They gave us some new trinket trays. These are great. You can paint them. You can really do so much with them. I love this one right here. Doesn't this look like something you would get at Anthropologie or Pottery Barn? Spray paint this gold. It's going to be gorgeous. They also have a leaf option here. Or if you're wanting to get like more of a neutral one, you can get the round one, or they have a square option. The best dupe I'm seeing at Dollar Tree today is this stripe cup. This stripe cup is everywhere. Now, this one is only $1.50. It is a plastic version. You can get more of a higher end version off of Amazon, but it's way more expensive. We also saw a dupe for this at Aldi for $9.99. Now the Dollar Tree version comes in 3 different colors. How adorable are these food storage containers? They're a 2-pack with these checkered lids. You can get the purple one. They also have it in blue. There's a green option. I think my favorite is the pink. These little summer bowls are just so stinking cute. I love the strawberry. Now you could use these in your kitchen, at a party, or really anywhere around your house. This strawberry's cute. They also have a watermelon and a pineapple. There may be some more options, but those are the only 3 my store has. I just spotted something that they brought back again this year, you guys. This is the variety pack of Ziploc bags. When this first came out, it was so viral. What I love about it is you can get all of your different sandwich bags. It's perforated, so you just take these off and you can place it directly in your drawer. Now, if you want to pick this up, it's priced at $5. I hope you can find these containers at your store because they're gonna go fast. There's 2 different versions of these pop top containers. You have this square one. They also have a round container too. I absolutely love these. You guys know how much I like a set, and this is probably my new favorite one. It's super lightweight. I'm loving it in the black and white, but I need to get some other colors. It has the zipper pockets on the shorts. You have the little drawstring here, and then you also have a pocket right here. But if you're looking for this set, I will put a QR code right here. You can scan it and it will take you directly there. My store has the Anthropologie mirror dupe. Now you could use this as a little vanity mirror, but it looks very similar to all the Anthropologie mirrors. How cute is this Mother's Day photo frame? Now it is $3, but look at the floral detail down here. Now, as part of the Mother's Day collection, they have these LED candles, which are really cool. You just put a battery at the bottom and they light up. You have this pink one. You also have this teal one. I'm seeing a purple option. Now, if these colors are a little bit bright, you could always spray paint them. I just found the best dupe here at Dollar Tree. Do you guys know my magnetic cable clips that I use off of Amazon? You stick them onto a surface and it holds your cables in place. Well, here at Dollar Tree, for just $1.50, they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different options. These two look very similar to the ones that I have on the side of my bed. Plus you have other like cord managers that you could use in different areas, maybe in an office. I'm so excited to find this dupe. Now my store only has 4 left, but these deodorants are so viral right now. They're by the brand Amber Glow and they come in 3 different scents. They have the vanilla cream, sweet rose, and golden amber. I definitely want to get these and test them out. They have these nice screw top lids. The scent of the amber one is really nice. It's not too overpowering. This one is the vanilla cream. I like this one, again, not too overpowering at all. And then the last one, this is the sweet rose. This one smells a little too florally for me, kind of like baby powder. So I feel like I like this one the least, but the golden amber and the vanilla cream are definitely ones I would use. This caught my eye, the Orchid Moisturizing Cream. This is supposed to be a dupe for the Vanna Cream, which is way more expensive. I want to get this and try it out. Now, a few years ago, I had very dry skin and I used to use the Vanna Cream as a moisturizer on my face. That's how dry my skin is. It's a very thick lotion. So I want to see if this really is a dupe. This should be a very thick cream. I can already see it's a little bit thicker than your normal Dollar Tree creams, but it is not as thick as the Vanna Cream is. It's a great like thick moisturizer for Dollar Tree, but not a comparable dupe. But I think it would make a good hand cream. Scotch brand pop-up sponges. We gotta try this. Let's check out these expandable sponges. Now you get 3 in the pack. They are all these super cute designs. So they start as these little flat sponges. When you put them in the water, they're supposed to expand. Adorable sponges for spring for $1.50. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is Dollar Tree. So if you're coming to Dollar Tree, you want to look for anything Amber Glow line, especially anything with these like cute pink colors. They have these little hand lotions for your purse. I'm definitely going to be picking these up. This one is Strawberry Bliss, and then this one is Sugar Hibiscus. Now, when we were checking out, the person behind us asked where we found these because I think everyone wants these hand creams and they're going to go fast. So I want to see what the scents are like. Look at that cute little topper. So the first one we're going to try is the Strawberry Bliss. Now already I can tell, okay, they're kind of difficult to squeeze out. That kind of took some energy to do that. It definitely has a strawberry scent, but it's not too overpowering. So I think if you like strawberries, you'd like that. Let's hope the other one comes out a little bit easier. Now the other one we have is Sugar Hibiscus. So you have that same lid. Okay, let's see about this one. Okay, these are not coming out super easily. I don't know about these, you guys. I feel like that was a little bit too much work to get these to come out. The Sugar Hibiscus smell, this one's nice. I feel like I like this one better than strawberries, but if you prefer a strawberry scent, you probably get the other one. I don't know if I'd buy these because with hand lotion, I like it to squeeze out really easily, so I think I might pass on these. I can't believe my store still has these lotions. These go so fast, you guys. Again, these are the Amber Glow lotions. You have Cocoa Rose, Pink Vanilla, and the Cream Caramel. And my store is totally stocked on these hand wipes. Now, as soon as you get here to Dollar Tree, they have all the solar lights at the front of the store. This is one that is an Anthropologie dupe. It's a solar light shaped like a stone. You can put it directly into your yard or your flower beds. My store also has these solar hook lanterns. There's new Dollar Tree hand sanitizers out for summer. There's 6 new options for us to choose from, and they're all limited edition. There's a sweet plum and jasmine, vanilla cream, sugared pistachio, and moonlight orchid. There's peach fizz and sunset breeze, and these are a sparkly hand sanitizer. The thing I'm loving about the hand sanitizers is that most of the stores have them in stock. So before it was so hard to find them, now most of the stores I go to, they'll have several boxes. So if you're looking for these, hopefully you can find them. Now at Dollar Tree, you can pick up 2 different options in garden fences. They're priced at $1.50 this year. This is one that I think is new, but if you're just needing a couple of these, this is a good place to pick them up. They also have the trellis option. Now this is not a new planter, but I haven't seen it in white before. I love that it comes in white. I wouldn't even have to spray paint it. If you're wanting to get organized this time of year, Dollar Tree has these file folder boxes. They come in fun colors, so you can get these stripes. They also have a floral option. There's a rainbow one. I think my favorite is the lemons. I'm really excited about these. I feel like they're gonna be such cute organization. You could store so many items in here. This would be perfect for your craft room. All the red, white, and blue stuff is out right now at my Dollar Tree, and I've never seen this many cup options. You guys, these are so cute. Are these only $1.50? It looks like a Stanley dupe cup. Now, it's definitely not heavy duty, but let's check and see if it's $1.50. Does your store have one of these scanners and it's great with the prices changing? Okay, just $1.50. So if you're wanting one of these cups, $1.50. Do you guys remember the Love Snackle boxes that we got at Walmart? Well, they have a version here. This is priced at $3. It says USA, so if you were going to be at the pool or outside, you could put fun candy or snacks in here. They have an inflatable buffet cooler. This one is $5. If you like the whipped shave cream at Target, you can find it here at Dollar Tree for so much less, and it comes in 3 different scents. They have a vanilla coconut, a strawberry shortcake, or this dulce de leche. I found even more Amber Glow items. They have a texturizing wave spray. My store is stocked up on these BioPure lip balms. These are a dupe for Vaseline. Now I need to get a few of these and stock up on my purse essentials. Last year, I got these liquid blushes. These are a dupe for Rare Beauty, and they come in a few different colors. The new one they have out right now is this LA Colors liquid blush. Now, the liquid blush I've been wearing is from Clinique, and it's a little pricey, so I'd love to have an alternative that's less expensive. I love to see that they have these puffs here for $1.25. Now, these come in a pack of 12. They're way more on Amazon, but that's really the only other place I know to buy them. I also spotted these Beauty Blender sponges. They come in a pack of 3. Now, I'm pretty picky about my sponges, but I'm gonna give them a try and see if I like them. I got both of the options to show you guys. Now, they come in these great cases, which is nice so that you have somewhere to store them. This is like your traditional sponge, so you can use that to put on your foundation. Also with this right here, it's great for just like patting in under your eye any foundation or concealer you're putting on. Now, with this Beauty Blender, this one has like the angle at the bottom if you like that option better. There's a whole new line of adorable Disney bath items. Brazilian Sol is a dupe for the Sol de Janeiro line. They have some new hand and foot masks here at Dollar Tree. So I'm excited to try one of these hand masks and see if it works. They also have an exfoliating foot mask. If you like these Vaseline balm sticks, they are 1/10 of the price here at Dollar Tree. So pick them up at Dollar Tree and save some money. If you've watched any of my Dollar Tree videos, you know how much I like these BioPure antibacterial hand wipes. And I love that every season we get a new fun scent. So they gave us 2 scents for summer, and look at how cute that packaging is. This one is the Fig Breeze, and we also have the Guava Splash. Let me know down in the comments which one you would pick. I mean, they're just so adorable. I'm excited about the new Power Stick liquid hand soaps that are out right now. You're probably familiar with the Brazilian Mist. This has been out, but some of the new ones, they say they're Power Stick for her. This one is Rosemary Romance. This one is Pink Petals and Pearls, and then they have Lemongrass Lullaby. Now I got the Rosemary Romance to put in my daughter's room, but I wanted to see if this had any scent. I'm definitely smelling the rosemary, but it's not too overpowering. Dollar Tree also has some great premium cards. They're priced at $1.50, but some of the most perfect Mother's Day and Grandmother's Day cards. So you can actually buy shoes here at Dollar Tree now. They have a whole line of Crocs for the summer. Now their Crocs for adults are priced at $6 and they have 4 different colors at my store. It looks like the kid version is also $6. A new thing this year is they came out with a pair of sandals priced at $6 as well. Now, I have tried several products in this Dollar Tree car line and have not liked them. But there's one product that I got the last time we were here, and I absolutely love this. If you are somebody who has to work on a computer in your car, you need this. I am going to my daughter's practices all the time. I'm in my car. This will fit on my steering wheel. I can put my laptop on there. It's amazing. This would also be great to like eat or just write or do anything in your car. My store has a ton of the solar lanterns out right now for just $6. You can get them in black or white. Now, the last time I was at Dollar Tree, I came across these reusable straws that come in these little tins. I thought they were so cute. I definitely wanted to get it and look at it. Now, why would you need this? If you want to have a reusable straw, you could just throw this little tin in your purse. So let's check it out together. Okay, so essentially it's a reusable straw that they just kind of folded in thirds. Feels like this isn't really anything special. Let's see, but it does bend pretty well. So I feel like I could put that back in there fairly easily. Now this is another option. This one's a little bit thinner and extra long like this. And it looks like you just fold this one up like so. These are a good little option to throw in your purse. Dollar Tree is now selling a dinnerware set. You get 2 different sizes of plates, you get cups, and all of the silverware. It's a 48-piece set for $3. Now I have to say, as much as I like my store here, they don't typically have a lot of organization items. Maybe they just get sold really quickly, but this pattern I believe is new. Now my store, you can see, only has a couple. Like they have this cream colored one, there's also a black option, and then up here there's another one in gray, but my store is pretty picked over. Maybe you can find more at your store. If you're a fan of these gold organization bins that they have over here in the school supplies section, they also have this. This is great for organizing your mail. You get 3 different slots. You could also use this as a phone or tablet charging station. Have you guys tried out the $5 mops here at Dollar Tree? They are so good for the price. They keep getting better. They have a spray mop. So if you like that style, this is the one you want to pick up. They also have this one where they have the 2-in-1 microfiber cloth. I actually prefer these. What's great about these is after you use them, you can pull them off and wash them and put them back on. I feel like we need to get several of these. These are individual servings of Olive Garden's Italian dressing. You get 3 for $1.50. At the front of my Dollar Tree, there's a bunch of new snacks out. I'm excited about the Pop Daddy pretzels. Now these are super fun because they come in so many different flavors. The one I'm most excited about is the birthday cake pretzel sticks, but they also have a smoked Gouda, garlic Parmesan, and cinnamon sugar. So we can't try the birthday cake ones because I ate them on the way home from Dollar Tree, but just know they're really good. Let's try out the smoked Gouda. So they look like a normal pretzel, they just have flavoring on them. These are so good. And I feel like there's a good amount for the $1.25 price. Last week, I found these new lip masks at Dollar Tree. Let's open them up and see what they look like. This one is called Lavender Lemonade, such a fun scent, and this one's raspberry. So I'm really curious about the consistency in these. I love that they have the little stopper on this. Now, the product goes quite a bit down, so I feel like I would need one of my little scoops to pull out that product. So not great if you have nails. It's a little bit too small, so I don't like that. But if you had a scoop, you could try out the product. Let me know down in the comments what you'll be picking up the next time you shop at Dollar Tree. I love knowing your opinion, and make sure you subscribe because I want to see you back here, and I'll see you in our next one. Bye.